So welcome back guys. So in this video we are going to develop an app with Vertex AI Gemini 1.0 Pro. So let me start the lab. So let me log in with our credentials. So copy your password. So open it in Nano mode. So click on next, paste it here. Click on next, click on I understand. Click on agree and continue. So click on your cloud terminal. Click on continue. So if in case it is slow, click on this enter mode and click on save. So before loading this, please like, share and subscribe for more updates guys. So come back. So the link will be in the description. Copy that code, copy this, export region, paste it here, come back to your lab and move to task number one. So in task number one, point number two is the region US West one. So mine will be unique and yours one will be unique. So copy that your region and paste it here. So click on enter. So come back here, copy this code, another code, come back to your lab and paste it here. Click on enter, click on authorize. So it may take 2 to 3 minutes for execution of this localhost. So let me wait for till it execute. So watch carefully guys. Each step is very important in this step. So click on this HTTP localhost. So the Vertex has story to generate. Click on the generate my story. So the story has been generated. Some of them, if you see here, somebody will click on your refresh button to next click on next on marketing campaign. So if in case it is not happened, so click on CTR plus C and another localhost link will be open. Click on this. So click on market campaign, click on generate campaign. So let it wait for it to generate. So before that, please like, share and subscribe guys. If you subscribe or like the video, it may get motivated to make more videos, such videos guys. So it has been generated. So come back here again, CTR plus C. So it went again, click on this localhost. So click on image playground. Now generate recommendation. So it has been generated. So let me move back. Click on again CTR plus C. So click on again localhost. So in this step, let me move for same image playground. So in this image playground, furniture recommendation is over. Now over instructions. So generate instructions. So it has been generated. So come back to your lab. Click on CTR plus C. So another localhost. Click on this. So come back again to image playground. So over instructions is over. Next AI diagrams. Click on generate documentation. So it has been done. So let me move back. Click on CTR plus C again. So again localhost will be open. So come back again for image playground only and click on ER diagrams over. Now math reasoning. So click on generate answers. So it has been generated. So come back here. So again CTR plus C. Click on localhost. If in case the refresh button is possible, you can do in that way also, or else you can come back and you can press it or press C and again you can access the localhost. So now in this video, generate this video playground. Click on this, generate this video description. So it's generated. So come back and click on Ctrl plus C. So come back. Again, come back here for video generation. So now video description is over. Now next video tags. Click on this. Click on generate video tags. So it has been generated. Come back to our lab. Ctrl plus C. Click on localhost again. So in this video, if you must not miss any of generating the video highlights or something else. Everything you must execute here to generate the story prompts. So come back. It has been executed. Click on Ctrl plus C again. So come back localhost. Now click on playground. Now video geolocation. Click on generate. It's running. So it has been done. So now again Ctrl plus C. So the video has been working right now. So let me wait for more 5 minutes or 10 minutes for execution of remaining commands. So guys, finally it has been executed. So don't forget to click on this URL link. So click on this. So this table tab will be open in the next tab. So click on generate my story. So it has been generated the story. So let me move to our lab. So let me check my progress. So guys, finally we completed lab. So let me end the lab. So before ending the lab, please like, share and subscribe guys for more updates. So let me catch up in next video guys.